Hey everyone, my name is Lane Walker. I'm doing SDG number 2, which is Zero Hunger, and I'm doing it based off Brazil. So what is Zero Hunger? Zero Hunger ensures everyone, everywhere has access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food all year round. Zero Hunger not only addresses immediate hunger and malnutrition, but also tackling the root cause of food insecurity, such as poverty, inequality, conflict, and climate change. USA versus Brazil with moderate to severe food insecurity. So as you can see, the United States is like a tannish color, and they are at 8.2% with moderate or severe food insecurity. And Brazil is like an orange color, and they're at 28.9% with moderate or severe food insecurity. Here is my X-Mind chart, and my central topic is Zero Hunger. My first main topic is to invest in rural infrastructure. My second main topic is to prevent trade restrictions. My third main topic is universal access to safe, nutritious, and sufficient food. And my fourth main topic is to ensure stable food commodity markets. So here are my solutions to Zero Hunger. So by 2030 is to increase investments in rural infrastructure, agricultural research and extension services, technology development, and plant and livestock gene banks. And the United States AOI is at a 0.86, and Brazil's AOI is severely lower at a 0.14. which both reflects a lower orientation in agriculture. So anything under 1 really is not considered healthy or good, and anything above 1 is considered really good. So as you can see, Brazil is a lot lower. So my second main topic is to correct and prevent trade restrictions and distortions in world agricultural markets by 2030, and by 2030 adopt measures to ensure the proper functioning of food commodity markets in order to help limit extreme food price volatility. And my fourth topic is to end hunger by 2030 by providing universal access to safe and nutritious food. Thank you.